Right, okay, so we will take a look at the bit tracker here. So first thing would be to build the database because we need tabular structure for this. So I'll be going for new database. By default you will get some random tabular structure like this. I will create a new table with empty columns. I will get rid of anything that I don't need. I can't remove this unless I label another column. As you can see, if I click on it, it will ask you to do the same. So we'll start with the new column, and here I will add bid ID. So this will be the number ID basically, and I will make it a label. Now this means I can remove the earlier column, right? I will rename the database as well while we are at it, and also I will change the table setting, right? So it's bit tracker. Can name the table with the same. Now first would be the ID, second will be the description here for that particular bit. Save that. The next thing would be date. Right, and once you add the date, I will move to amount. Right, that would be number here. Then I will be adding the percent, right, which you can see the percentage here that can add to column. So we have like date, amount, percent, then deadline. So deadline should be also one of the date. So if you go there, you can pick the time as well, right? So go with date. There is days left, so for that I can use number or duration. So if I choose number, I can manually add the number of days required for that particular bid, right? So if I go back to dashboard here, you can see I will start from existing data and go with bid tracker, and then I will be adding human resources. Now let's go to data source where I can choose one of the database and also the bid tracker table that should form the tracker up there. It will take a look at all the columns options that you have, and finally you get to use them. Now if I plan on syncing the app, notice there is no data, so I will go to view and here go with tabular structure. Remove any sort option because we would be manually sorting this. Save the structure and open it in desktop view. Now here you get to manually add the data within your tabular structure, right? So click add, give it a bid ID. So let's say we start from 100 or 199, whichever works, and we can see right. Then there is also day. I will pick the day, same amount is right, so that would be bid amount. Percentage would be 71. Then deadline, you can also choose 30 or so. Days 3, we started from 27 and deadline. We'll save this particular and you get to view the tabular structure with the entries there, right? So what we have done here is basically a bid tracker with all the required columns where we get to add the data, right? So hopefully you get the idea of bid tracker in Appsheet.